Where is the menu button on my Sharp TV?
Hello there, and welcome to our guide on finding the menu button on your Sharp TV. If you've recently purchased or are just unfamiliar with the layout of your Sharp TV's remote or TV controls, this guide will help you to quickly locate the menu button and navigate the settings on your Sharp TV.
The Sharp TV remote.
The first place to look for the menu button is your Sharp TV remote control. The layout can slightly vary based on the model, but generally, you'll find the menu button towards the middle or top half of the remote. The menu button is usually marked as Menu or symbolized with 3 horizontal lines, sometimes referred to as a hamburger icon. Once you press this button, your TV screen should display the settings or menu options.
The TV control panel.
If you cannot find your remote or the batteries are dead, don't worry. You can also access the menu directly from the TV's control panel. Look for the TV control panel. It can be found either on the side, bottom edge, or the back of the TV depending on your model. You should see a set of buttons, including the power button, volume and channel controls, and importantly, a menu button. Press this button to bring up the menu on your Sharp TV.
Navigating the menu.
Now that you've found the menu button, let's talk about how to navigate it. Use the arrow buttons on your remote to scroll up, down, left, or right through the menu options. The OK, Enter, or the middle button in the arrow circle is used to select options. The Return, or Back, button will take you back to the previous screen or close the menu. And there you have it. That's how you locate and use the menu button on your Sharp TV. Whether you're using the remote control or the TV's control panel, accessing and navigating the menu should now be a breeze. We hope this guide has been helpful and thank you for tuning in. Happy viewing!